Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to renew your cornrow without taking down. But before we continue, I'd like to plead with you guys to subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, turn on your notification bell, do everything you can do to make my channel known. Thank you, I really appreciate it. So let's get into the business of the day. I said I was going to be teaching you how to renew your cornrow without taking down. Okay, so this is like an arc I have done since when I was in secondary school. So a lot of us knows how to cornrow our hair, how to make our hair, but the problem we all have is styling our hair. I mean, it's not easy styling it on yourself. So that is why this styling you can see in this video is not really straight as a proper stylist would do, because I did it myself. Yeah, that's why it's not straight. So I wanted to wash my hair. It was my wash day. As you can see, my hair is very dirty, but I thought I should do this video because my hair is rough and dirty. So I decided to use this rough hair so that you can spot the difference between my old cornrows and my new cornrows, and you can actually see that it works just like magic. So for example, if you're like me, I like to renew my cornrow every 2 weeks. So if you don't have the time to go to a stylist and renew your hair every 2 weeks, you can actually use this hack. At least it saves you money. You are supposed to cornrow your hair twice a week. You can keep you can keep your money for the other 2 weeks. So when you go to a proper stylist and you cornrow your hair, all you just need to do after 2 weeks is to do what I am doing in this video, and your hair is going to be renewed and it feels like you just made it. Does that make sense? So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So the first thing I did was to damp my hair with water and moisturizer. I am sorry I didn't show that on camera. After doing that, I picked my comb. But while picking my comb, I already moisturized my hand in my cream, like a moisturizer which I used. But I didn't show it on camera because that was on the table. I'm also sorry about that. So after combing it, all you just need to do is to cornrow your hair back using the original style, and it becomes new. So you do this for each of the cornrow. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you find this video useful, helpful, because I am not a DIY person. I don't really do DIY, especially when it comes to hair. I am not the hair guru or something, but I just find this video important because it is what I do. Like, it's what I've been doing for years and it has been working for me, so I felt like sharing with you guys. You might not get to see any other hair video on my channel again, so you guys should please watch till the end of this video. Relax. Thank you. Okay guys, are you guys spotting the difference already? I'm already getting like close to half of the hair, and you can tell that one side is neater than the other side. That is what I'm saying, guys. This arc is very easy. It doesn't even take much of your time, although before I shot this video I was hungry, so I was contemplating, should I shoot the video before eating? And I thought I could shoot the video without, I thought I could shoot it and I will be done before eating, but I was hungry. Plus, if you're making your hair or cornrowing your hair by yourself, if you do this regularly, it's not something that is easy, especially if you're just starting, having to move your hair, your hands to the back. And also I decided to get myself Greek yogurt and granola because I was so hungry. If you're a fan of Greek yogurt and granola, you guys should please gather in the comment section. I love you guys. Mwah. Okay guys, so I've done my remaining half of camera and now I am done with my cornrows. Can you see my hair? Look at that hair, guys. Can you spot the difference? So I decided to add some moringa growth oil, so it's going to be neat and shiny. Do you get what I mean? My hair is looking so renewed and refreshed. Even me, I feel refreshed even though it's dirty. Can you tell that this hair is dirty? Like, you guys could remember how dirty it was when I started, right? So what I did was just to use my edge control. So I used edge booster just to like for my edges, because I couldn't pick the edges, but I couldn't also apply the edge booster on camera because I couldn't see myself very well. So that's the end of my cornrow. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. You guys should not forget to subscribe, like, share my video, give it a thumbs up. Bye.